Hello students, welcome to my channel. Exercise 3.7 11th standard trigonometry. If a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. First we take a plus b plus c is equal to 180. A plus b is equal to 180 minus c. Taking sin on both sides. Sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin 180 minus c. Sin 180 minus c. This is the form. Sin 180 minus theta form. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 180 minus c is equal to sin c. Sin 180 minus c is equal to sin c. Here we can write sin 180 minus c as sin c. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus b is equal to sin c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c given sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c RHS sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c LHS sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. This is sin c, this is sin d. CD sin c plus sin d formula. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now we substitute c and d. C value is 2a, d value is 2b. 2 sin c is equal to 2a. 2a, d value 2b. 2a plus 2b by 2 cos, here 2a minus 2b by 2 is equal to 2 sin. Take 2 as common. 2 into a plus b by 2. 2 to cancel. Cos 2 common. A minus b by 2. 2 to cancel. 2 sin a plus b into cos a minus b. Sin c plus sin d is 2 sin a plus b cos a minus c. Now we substitute sin a plus b is equal to sin c. 2 sin a plus b is equal to sin c. 2 sin c. Here sin a plus b is equal to sin c cos a minus b. 2 sin c cos a minus b plus sin 2c. Here sin 2c is equal to 2 sin a cos a formula. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a formula. Equal to 2 sin c cos a minus b plus sin 2c is equal to 2 sin c cos c. 2 into sin c into cos c. 2 sin c common. Cos a minus b plus cos c. Here 2 sin c is common. 2 sin c common. Cos a minus b. Remaining cos a minus b plus cos c. Cos c is equal to cos 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta. Theta is equal to c. Cos 180 minus c is equal to minus cos c. Minus cos c. Minus cos 180 minus c is equal to cos c. Cos 180 minus c is equal to minus cos c. Minus cos 180 minus c is equal to cos c. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Applying cos on both sides. Cos A plus B is equal to cos 180 minus C. Cos A plus B is equal to cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Minus cos C. Minus cos C. Now cos C is equal to minus cos A plus B. Minus of cos A plus B is equal to cos C. So now cos C become minus cos A plus B. Now we substitute cos C is equal to minus cos A plus B equal to 2 sin C cos A minus B cos S minus cos A plus B minus cos A plus B. Cos C is equal to minus cos A plus B. Here the formula cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to 2 sin A sin B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin C cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B. 2 2s are 4. Sin A sin B sin C. Sin A sin B sin C is the answer. If cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Divide by 2 on both sides. A plus B by 2, 180 minus C by 2. 180 by 2, 90 minus C by 2. 180 by 2, 90 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Applying sin on both sides. Sin of A plus B by 2 is equal to sin of 90 minus C by 2. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sin 90 minus C by 2 cos C by 2. So sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. This is the formula. Next, applying cos on both sides. Applying cos on both sides. Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus C by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus C by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus C by 2. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Theta is C by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sin C by 2. This formula. Sin A plus B by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sin C by 2. So given cos A plus cos B minus cos C. Cos A plus cos B minus cos C. LHS. C D. Cos C plus cos T formula. This C D is D. Cos C plus cos T formula. Cos C plus cos T is equal to 2 cos C plus cos T formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. C is A, D is B, cos B. 2 cos C plus D is A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Cos A plus B by 2, cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sin C by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 is equal to sin C by 2. A plus B by 2 is sin C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Now cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Remaining minus cos C. Minus cos C. 1 plus cos A is equal to formula 2 cos square A by 2. 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Cos A is equal to 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Here we change a as c. Cos c is equal to 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. Cos c is equal to 2 cos square c by 2 minus 1. 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 is equal to 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus cos square minus 2 cos square c by 2 minus into minus plus 1. Two sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus 2 cos square c by 2 plus 1. 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus 2 into cos square 1 minus sin square. Cos square formula 1 minus cos square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus sin square c by 2 plus 1. Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 sin square c by 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 remaining 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin square c by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus here 2 sin c by 2 is common. 2 sin c by 2 common. 2 sin c by 2 that's common. Remaining cos a minus b by 2. 2 sin square c by 2. Remaining 1 sin c by 2 here. 2 sin c by 2. 2 sin c by 2 into sin c by 2, 2 sin square c by 2. 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b 2, 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Sin c by 2 is equal to cos a plus b by 2. Sin c by 2 is equal to cos a plus b by 2. Sin c by 2 equal to cos a plus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2. Here cos a minus b plus cos a plus b formula. Cos a minus b. Cos a minus b formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin a into sin b by 2 here half angle plus cos a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b minus sin a into sin b divided by 2 half angle plus minus cancel minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 plus cos a by 2 cos b by 2 2 times 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 1 time plus 1 time 2 time is equal to minus 1 2 into 2 4 cos a by 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into sin c by 2 this times. Prove that sin 50 minus sin 70 plus cos 80 is equal to 0. Sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This sin c minus sin d formula. C d 50 sin 50 minus sin 70. Here 50 c 70 d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos 50 plus 70. 50 plus 70 by 2. Sin 50 minus 70 by 2. 2 cos 70 plus 50. 120 by 2, 60. Cos 60. 50 minus 70, minus 20. Sin minus 20 by 2. Minus 20 by 2, minus 10. Minus 10. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Minus 2 cos 60 into sin 10 equal to minus 2 cos 60 value 1 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 into sin 10. 2 to cancel equal to minus sin 10. Sin 50 minus sin 70 is equal to minus sin 10. Minus sin 10 plus cos 80. Minus sin 10 plus cos 80. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus 10. Here 90 minus 10. Cos 90 minus 10 is cos 80. Cos 80. 90 minus 10, 80. Equal to sin theta is equal to, here theta is equal to 10. Sin 10. Cos 80 is equal to sin 10. Minus sin 10. Cos 80 is equal to plus sin 10. Minus sin 10 plus n equal to 0. Thank you.